Good afternoon. We're doing the shots right now. What's these? 5 and 1?
5 and 1.
5 and 1 for Rocky and Draco pups. Just giving them their shots right now. They already been dewormed. This beautiful little man right here. Yes, sir.
Give me, boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These shots so they can come outside more often.
They good.
Got a couple of more to get. Hold this for me. Hold that phone for me, bro.
I got you. There they go.
Here you go right here.
There go the other one right there.
One beautiful male that's already been sold, has a contract, but you know,